Welcome to Blooming Beauties, Best Garden Getaways in the USA. In this video, we'll take you on a vibrant tour of some of the most breathtaking gardens across the country. From the enchanting landscapes of Longwood Gardens in Pennsylvania to the serene beauty of the Portland Japanese Garden in Oregon, get ready to immerse yourself in the splendor of nature. Whether you're a gardening enthusiast or simply looking for a peaceful retreat, these floral paradises offer something for everyone. Let's explore these stunning garden getaways that showcase the diversity and beauty of America's horticultural treasures. 1. Longwood Gardens, Kennett Square, Pennsylvania. Longwood Gardens in Kennett Square, Pennsylvania, is a paradise for plant lovers and those looking to escape into nature's embrace. Spanning over 1,077 acres, this garden is a haven of horticultural excellence. It offers a dynamic variety of displays, from the grandeur of the conservatory to the serene beauty of the meadow garden. Visitors can stroll through the meticulously curated landscapes and marvel at the seasonal flower displays that change throughout the year. The gardens also host a series of educational programs, concerts, and events, making it a lively cultural hub. A visit here feels like stepping into a living painting, where every plant and flower is a brushstroke of vibrant color. 2. Butchart Gardens, Sausalito, California. Butchart Gardens, though originally Canadian, has its American counterpart in Sausalito, California. This garden is a testament to the transformative power of nature, having been created from a former quarry. Today, it blooms into a spectacular display of floral artistry. Visitors are greeted with vibrant gardens that showcase a wide range of plant species, each more colorful than the last. The Rose Garden, in particular, is a highlight, boasting thousands of roses in full bloom. The garden's design encourages exploration and discovery, with winding paths and hidden nooks. It's a perfect getaway for those seeking inspiration and tranquility. 3. Desert Botanical Garden, Phoenix, Arizona. In the heart of the Sonoran Desert, the Desert Botanical Garden in Phoenix, Arizona, offers a unique look at desert flora. Covering 140 acres, this garden is home to thousands of species of cacti, succulents, and desert plants. The garden's trails guide visitors through different desert habitats, each showcasing the resilience and beauty of plants that thrive in arid conditions. Educational exhibits provide insight into desert ecology and conservation efforts. The garden also hosts events like the vibrant Las Noches de las Luminarias, where thousands of luminarias light up the night sky, creating a magical atmosphere. It's a perfect spot for those curious about the hidden beauty of desert landscapes. 4. Brooklyn Botanic Garden, Brooklyn, New York. The Brooklyn Botanic Garden is an urban oasis in the bustling city of New York. Spanning 52 acres, this botanical garden offers a breath of fresh air to city dwellers. It features a diverse range of gardens, including the iconic Cherry Esplanade, which bursts into a sea of pink blossoms in spring. The Japanese Hill and Pond Garden, with its serene landscapes and koi-filled ponds, provides a peaceful retreat. The garden also prioritizes education, with programs and workshops for all ages. It's a place where the beauty of nature meets the vibrancy of city life, offering a refreshing escape from the urban hustle. 5. Portland Japanese Garden, Portland, Oregon. Nestled in the lush landscape of Portland, Oregon, the Portland Japanese Garden is a serene escape into traditional Japanese aesthetics. Covering 12 acres, this garden is a masterpiece of design, blending natural beauty with cultural elements. Visitors can explore different garden styles, from the tranquil tea garden to the vibrant strolling pond garden. The garden's meticulous attention to detail is evident in every element, from the carefully pruned trees to the artfully placed stones. It offers a space for reflection and meditation, inviting visitors to slow down and appreciate the harmony of nature. It's a perfect getaway for those seeking peace and inspiration. 6. Missouri Botanical Garden, St. Louis, Missouri. The Missouri Botanical Garden, located in St. Louis, Missouri, is a testament to the beauty and diversity of plant life. Founded in 1859, it is one of the oldest botanical gardens in the USA. Spanning 79 acres, it features a wide array of gardens and exhibits, including the stunning Climatron, a geodesic dome housing a tropical rainforest. The Japanese garden, one of the largest in North America, offers a peaceful escape with its tranquil landscapes. The garden also focuses on research and conservation, contributing to global efforts in plant science. It's a perfect destination for those interested in both beauty and science. 7. Gibbs Gardens, Ballground, Georgia. Gibbs Gardens in Ballground, Georgia, is a sprawling garden paradise that covers over 220 acres. Known for its stunning display of daffodils in spring, the garden features over 20 million blooms that create a sea of yellow. Visitors can explore different garden areas, including the water lily garden and the Japanese garden, each offering its own unique charm. The garden's design encourages leisurely exploration, with winding paths and scenic viewpoints. It's a place where nature's beauty is on full display, offering a tranquil escape from the everyday hustle. A visit here feels like a journey into a world of color and serenity. 8. Fairchild Tropical Botanic Garden, Coral Gables, Florida. The Fairchild Tropical Botanic Garden in Coral Gables, Florida, is a lush tropical paradise that showcases the beauty of tropical plants. Covering 83 acres, it is home to a diverse collection of palms, cycads, and flowering trees. The garden's design reflects the natural beauty of the tropics, with winding paths and scenic vistas. Educational programs and events, such as the annual Chocolate Festival, add to its charm. It's a place where visitors can immerse themselves in the vibrant colors and exotic scents of the tropics. A visit here is like stepping into a tropical dream, where every corner reveals a new wonder. 9. Dallas Arboretum and Botanical Garden, Dallas, Texas. The Dallas Arboretum and Botanical Garden is a vibrant oasis located in the heart of Dallas, Texas. Spanning 66 acres, it offers a diverse range of gardens and exhibits, from the colorful blooms of the seasons to the peaceful Lay family garden. The garden's design encourages exploration and discovery, with winding paths and scenic viewpoints. Seasonal events, such as the Dallas Blooms Festival, draw visitors from near and far. It's a place where the beauty of nature is celebrated, offering a refreshing escape from the city. Whether you're a plant enthusiast or just looking for a peaceful retreat, this garden has something for everyone. 10. Bloedel Reserve, Bainbridge Island, Washington. Bloedel Reserve on Bainbridge Island, Washington, is a serene retreat that blends natural beauty with artistic design. Spanning 150 acres, the reserve features a diverse range of landscapes, from lush forests to tranquil ponds. Visitors can explore different garden areas, including the reflection pool and the moss garden, each offering its own unique charm. The reserve's design encourages leisurely exploration, with winding paths and scenic viewpoints. It's a place where nature's beauty is on full display, offering a tranquil escape from the everyday hustle. A visit here feels like a journey into a world of peace and serenity.